So I got this at Home Depot. It's the Delta Theron model. It's $149.
Ed will be installing this mixer valve in the shower wall. It is in new construction. Note the black plastic depth gauge that comes with the valve to ensure it is installed at the proper depth.
One of the most common questions when installing a shower mixer valve is what depth do you install it so it doesn't stick out of the tile or it's not too far in. So here's the deal. This little plastic piece that comes with it, you take 2 pieces of drywall 1/2 inch each. You mount this piece of wood at a depth where they just exactly line up. They can be, they can go like an 1/8 or even a 1/4 inch either way, but I like it exactly perfect. I'm going to be using 1/2 inch backer board and 3/8 inch tile, but when you add in some mastic behind there, it's going to be about a total of 1 inch. So that fits just about, there it is, you can see it, it's lined up perfectly. So I'm about, let's say about a 1/2 inch. My board's about a 1/2 inch away from the end of the stud. So that is where I'm going to mount it.
Ed had to cut out a notch in the 2x4 to leave room for the PEX tubing. No soldering was required. The PEX tubing was clamped on and screwed onto the end of the threaded mixer valve. Here is the finished product. The mixer valve fit perfectly. I have to say, the entire shower looks beautiful.